Now in this video I show you how you can download and install the MATLAB in 2025 on a Windows 11. Now let's start this video. That video have the 4 steps, so it's very basic step. First of all, we just need to create account on a MATLAB. Second of all, we need to create a claim the trial, and then we in the third step we need to download the MATLAB installer, and in the fourth step we just run that installer, and that installer in doing our downloadings and installing the files. Now we are moving towards the first step. So first of all, you need to come on the Google and search for MATLAB. Now click on the first link. Now here you need to close this pop-up, and after that you need to click on this Get MATLAB. Now here, if you have account, then it's great, but because you are just beginner, so you need to create account. So click on this create account. Now here we need to put our email. So I just paste my email here and then click on next button. Okay, here you need to click on continue anyway. Okay, we need to set our password. Make sure you remember this password. Okay, we need to verify our email. Okay, copy this code and paste it here, and we need to click on this I accept the online service agreement, and then next. Now here we need to set our first name, last name, location, and which best describe you. So I just put my first name. Okay, I don't need to student. Okay, I choose the hobbyist because they ask me a lot of things. Click mark on this one, yes, and now click on this one. Okay, I just put my name and then I choose hobbyist because if I choose a student, then they ask for organization and this kind of stuff. So if you are a student, you choose it, it's not problematic. And then I just tick mark on the yes because I'm more than 13 here. Now great. Okay, so my account is created. So that's our first step. Now we are at the step number 2, where we claim the trial version. Okay, now here we have the 3 methods. First is not implemented in our case, and we don't discuss it right now. So second of all is like the online version. For this one I create the individual video already, or in the future I also creating the videos on using the MATLAB online basic, because this is only the basic version. You don't use the Simulink and a lot of other tools. You don't use it on the online version. Okay, so we creating the different videos and you can be watching. But right now we are at this one 30-day MATLAB trial. So I just give you the pro tip. It's like you can download it and install it, and after that if you want again and again, then just change your email, and then you can claim more and more trials for a 30-day periods. Okay, now click on this get trial, close this pop-up, and here he said that it's not like, okay, if you choose something and your MATLAB trial version is going to be changing. So you just choose MATLAB Essential. It's not problematical. Don't worry. In the installation process, they ask for the tools, so we can choose it at that time. It's not important in there. So that's why I just choose a MATLAB Essential, and then I just submit it. So they are preparing my lessons. It takes some few time. Okay, now welcome to your free trial. So now it's active. So trial version license is active on our this account. Now we need to just download it first of all. Okay, so that's like our third step. So we just click on this install MATLAB button. So new tab is open. Now in this new tab, close this pop-up again, and now here we have our trial is expired on 19 March. And now download for Windows. So there are the different options. You can download for Mac, Intel processor, and for Linux. Okay, which device you have, you can do it. Right now I just download for Windows. So now I just click on this button, and it is 220 MB. So it takes some time for downloading. When the downloading is complete, I show you the next step for installing, how we can install it. Okay, now we are at the step number 4, where we see how we can install this MATLAB through the MATLAB installer. So it's downloaded. So I just double click on it. So unzipping it automatically start. Yeah, so MATLAB installer is running right now. I just need to logging in my account, which I already created in this step number 1. So that's why I just say you need to remember your password. So quickly I just will log in and then we start installation process. Now after login, they ask for you need to accept this license agreement and then click on next. Now here is our trial version mentioning the deadline, and after that we click on next. Now again click on next. Now here they ask for the location. I just choose my location. If you have the enough space in your C drive, then it's okay. I just choose the D and now click on next. I just recommend you can choose D because D is like very heavy if you install the Matlab in C drive, because it's like the Windows also installed on the C, and that's also very heavy software, which is maybe go to the minimum 4 GB, and if you install more and more tools, then it's go to up to 20 GB. So you just need to install on the other drive, or if you don't have other drives, you just make the two folders, then it's okay. You just be downloading this. Now they ask the select a product. Okay, that's the very important step. Now in this step I just be show you how you can download the different tools. If you want to be download all tools, that's not, otherwise nonsense if you want to be download all tools, because it's 2025 GB downloading, and then installation takes so much time, maybe 8 to 9, or it's depending on your internet speed. But right now I just be show you how you can download the Matlab. But if you want to be download Matlab, because a lot of the people download the Matlab and Simulink, because these two tools are very important. But right now I just be choosing the Matlab. Other tools are also available in the trial version. All tools are available, so you can be choose it according to your demand. Okay, now I just choose Matlab and click on next button. Now here he say that add a shortcut to the desktop. It's totally depending on you. I just click on it, and then next he show me it's like one product out of 88, that's like 4.441 GB required minimum. That's GB is required for just simple Matlab functionality. If you increase the tools, then that GB is going to be high and high. Now begin the installation. So our installation is started. So right now this is the Matlab installer. So they download first of all, and after that they install it. So downloading, he download 1.74 GB file, and then they also install it, and installation is like 4.20 GB. Okay, so you just need to be wait for a few second or for a few minutes according to your internet speed and your PC condition. So in my case, maybe it's take the 20 to 25 minutes for downloading and installing. So now I just start the video when it's completed, and now that's our last step. And after that I just be run it and show you how you can use the basic Matlab. Okay, installation is complete. Now launch. Now I am going to be launch the Matlab. Okay, so Matlab installed and I launch it.